Once you log in as a publisher, here are the few things you see. Just click on add website here, and then right here, let's go to our website, copy the address, come back to adsterra, and with the space provided, we'll paste our website URL there. And right here, we will select the website category. This website is about movies, so I'll select the movie category. This is very important because it will help us to present the type of ads that will match your blog. Because if someone is visiting your website and the person is interested in movies and the person is saying movie adverts, it will be simple for the person to click on it, enabling you to get more impressions leading to begin. And right here, you can remove for ad campaign. If you don't want gambling ads, you can click on it. Erotic ads, ads with sound, you can disable or enable them right here. I recommend you leave all of them unchecked because it will help you increase your CPM. It will help you increase your, and click on add right here. Once you add a website, you need to wait for it to be approved, and adsterra works within a twinkle of an eye. They will approve your website within 15 minutes, but with this video they approve the website within 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes, I've refreshed the page and it's loading, and as you can see here, approved. This is one thing that has made adsterra more nice and easier than other advertisement network. And the pop under we selected is already here, so we can click on get code, but we need to go to our blogger dashboard and click on theme, and then click on this small icon here and click on edit HTML. Pop under adverts are like layer on your website, so that when the person just click on any part of the website, the person will your adverts. So once you can click on get code and copy the ad code right here, copy everything. They automatically copy it, but I recommend you copy it again, copy it well, and don't leave anything behind. So once you right click and click on copy, go back to your blogger theme and the header tag, click on enter and leave one space and click on save right here, and it said update fail. That is, do it again. If your network is not good, you keep getting update fail, so make sure your network is good and refresh it, and that's all. So now let's refresh the page to see whether our pop under is working. You can see this is the normal mouse pointer we all know, so you can see that the mouse pointer have changed. That means there's a layer on the website. So once I click on it, you see that there's an advert which is loading. So this is how you'll be able to earn, and this is the most way people used to earn money, because once you click on any part of the website, there'll be a pop-up ad which will enable you earn a lot of money. So just do that. Just add pop under to the header script, to the header tag in your blogger theme, and also just do this, and this is how it works. So you can see here's an ad right here. The person can cancel and move on to what the person is there. So let's go to our layout section on our blogger on adsterra right here. We can add a different code, and the website you've added are there, so you have to be careful on which one you're selecting. Now I want to select the 728 times 90 pixels. That's a larger banner ad, or which is normally placed horizontally on the website. So I'll click on got it, and you need to be approved. The approval only takes 60 seconds, so just let's wait for 60 seconds and refresh the page again. It's 60 seconds and I've filled the page. Something like you can click on add a gadget right here and click on HTML/JavaScript. Once you click that, you can name the title, maybe sponsor or advertisement or ads or recommended, or any name you want to give it. That's what will be displayed on top of it, so that people will see what is showing there. So I recommend you use and a very nice name. And right here we have our 720 times 90 pixel code. Click on get code and then select everything. Select everything with your mouse pointer and right click on it and click on copy. Now go ahead back to where you can paste it at the content section. Now you can click on save, and we have it down there, so I can move it to the top of the post, so that anytime there's a new post, the advert will show on top of the post. Blogger is very easy. You can drag and drop things, and by the time you realize, you'll be able to do a lot of things. So let's now check our website to see whether it's worked or not. And as you can see on top of this Young Sheldon movie post, you can see that it's working, just that the internet connection is not that strong, or the server is invalid or something, that's why, but it's working. So now if I click on add new code, I can add another code. Let's add a social bar. Social bar is very important. I'll leave an example of a social bar at the end of the video. So we've requested for a new code, we got it. We also wait for like 30 to 60 seconds for our code to be approved, so just be patient and refresh your page within 30 seconds rather, and your code will be approved. Adsterra is very simple. You don't need to suffer that much to be able to earn money. So let's refresh the page and let's check whether our code has been approved. And then we are approved right here, it's active. So when I click on get code, the code is right here. I will copy the code and then click on add gadgets. I can add it anywhere, so I'll click on HTML/JavaScript, and the title, give it a title. You can give it advertisement or ads or Adsterra ads or anything, or sponsorship. So I'll just put the movie series for the purpose of this and paste the content at the content section and click on save. Once I click on save, I can drag it to anywhere. Since it's a pop under, anywhere you drag it to, it will still display on your website. All you need to do is just log into the website and you see a message, something like you've won $300,000, click here to claim. Those are the type of adverts that are called social banner. So let's wait for some time. I've refreshed the page. Let's wait for some time to see whether our social banner will appear or not, because the network is slow a little bit today. That's the reason why. This website is not completed, so don't mind the way it looks. Okay, don't mind the way it looks. So I'll refresh it again. And I can move it, I can drag it to anywhere I like it and click on save, and it still work perfectly. So this is a social banner, and you can see right here it says shop now. So that's how they work. That's the example of the social banner. And when I move it to the down again and save, and I refresh the page again, let me refresh the page again to prove to you that anywhere you move it to, it will still work.